Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Revolut to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process has gotten even simpler with the latest updates. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your ETH like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut and Crypto.com apps updated to their 2025 versions. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Start by opening your Revolut app and navigating to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Ethereum balance. Double-check that you have enough ETH to cover any withdrawal fees, which have been reduced in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech. Next, select your Ethereum holdings and choose the Withdraw or Transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet, and copy the Ethereum deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Paste that address back into Revolut, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and review the details. Hit confirm, and you'll get a two-factor authentication prompt for added security, which is a standard feature in 2025. Once approved, your transaction will be processed on the Ethereum network. Depending on network congestion, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. After the transfer, head back to Crypto.com to confirm your ETH has arrived. If everything checks out, you're all set. Remember, keep an eye on gas fees. They're more efficient now, but they can still vary. That's it for this quick tutorial. Withdrawing Ethereum between platforms is easier than ever in 2025, so go ahead and manage your crypto with confidence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.